Hello YouTube, it's me, Mario4, and I'm here showing you guys a tutorial for chess. Now, I am using my Super Mario Chess Collector's Edition set, just because it's bigger than my other one over here. Sorry, my room's messy, I had to get all this stuff for my other one over here. Stupid headphones. First off, we're gonna need chessboard. Now, I do warn you, this is a really big chess set. I don't know where to buy these. I got this one for Christmas. So, just get all the pieces in here. The chess sets are gonna come like this, but since the pieces are really big, they are. Okay, first off, let's put the stuff over here. Let's get these. Now, I like to start with the king and queen, just so you guys don't get confused, we'll start like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab your rooks here. Now these are gonna say rooks. Now with the other chess sets, hold on, focus. Well, it just says rook, okay? You can put these on the outer layer. Yes, now this will be, I think this will be in 2 parts. Now rook. Another rook. Now I'll do the other side later. Okay, now next, those are rooks, okay? Now I'll show you how to move these rooks. The rooks move horizontally, like up, just so you guys don't get confused. Basically like this. To move any empty amount of spaces, they have to be empty. You cannot jump spaces with these pieces. Will be a little bit confusing. You can watch this over as many times as you want. So these move like this. Say if you move a piece right here, you can move across here. You can't move like this though. That you can't, and you can't move like this. You can't just start right here and just go. You have to go like this, because you're not Chuck Norris. Okay. Okay, so rook. Next we have is the knight. Now, knights are these things right here. I'll show you what all the real pieces look later. The knights, as you can see, you see knights. So you can see they make this pretty unconfusing. So these are the knights. Now, I'm sorry you guys can't really see that. They're not in the light. Hold on. You don't see knight. Okay, so look closely. Now, at the knights, they don't move like this. They don't move like this. They move in an L shape. Now, what you do is you go 1, 2 to the side, to any side. 1, 2 here. 1, 2 here. You can just keep going. You can't move like this. 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 Now, yeah, that's the knight. I'm sorry if this makes it pretty confusing. They move in an L shape, so I'm trying to make this as simple as I can. Okay, I will probably share with chess game. Now, next is the bishops. These are the bishops. It's funny. Okay, so this one, just so I make it make sense. This, as you can see, maybe not really. Say bishop. B-I-S. Bishop. Okay. That one goes right there. Right there. Now, these chests, it's kind of hard to explain with this chest set. If you guys want me to do another tutorial to make this simple, to make the pieces look right, then I will show you. I'll dedicate my time to that. Now, the bishops, they don't move like this. They don't move like this. They don't move like this. They move diagonally. They move like this. Only on their color. You can't just go like this. You can't just go like this and just like end up on blue. They have to be on white. They have to stay on, like this one. This one's on blue. So it can go on. It can stay on blue. Okay. Making this as simple as I can, guys. I'm sorry if I'm confusing you. Tell me if I'm confusing you, so I can tell that you can't go like this and then just go like this. Okay. So that is the bishop. Now, knight, next on is the queen. I'm showing these different because there's only one queen. Now, the queen is basically just a boss. She can move diagonal and she can move like this. Move like this, sideways, side peach. Like this, like this. They always go on the left side, okay? just to make this not confusing, they always go on the left hand side. Okay? I'm not a pro at chess, so, you know. So, yeah. They can't move like a knight, though, okay? They can only move diagonally, like, forwards, and like this. Only empty spaces, though. Now, the King Mario, this guy, he's quite a lazy guy. Because the king can only move one space. So, like that. Well, you can't go on top of her, but say if that was a gun, you can go like this, okay? But that's not a gun, okay. Now, on to the pawns. The pawns are the little weak pieces in the front. Hold on, gotta get to a more comfortable position to show you guys this. Okay, so, these are the pawns. You can see, they say, pawn. I'll put you all the piece names in the description below, okay? So, pawns. So many pawns. The pawns fill the next row, basically. So, let's just quick here. I do not know how to video edit, I'm sorry. No, this is the faster way. Okay, pawn. Now, the pawns can only move once, but on their first move, they can move twice. They capture diagonally. So, say if the enemy piece was played right here, which would be a horrible position. This pawn can only capture diagonally. If it's right here, it cannot capture like this. You cannot do that. So yeah. So this it can only move twice on its first move. So say if you move like this, you can't go like this. Sorry, you wasted your move. Okay? Now, let me tell you something. These knights, they're the only piece that can jump over another piece. So they can actually go right here. So yeah, on your first move, you can only use a pawn or a knight. Only because the knights can jump over, okay? Pretty simple? Okay, move on. Now, you guys know how these guys are placed. These are the rooks. Bishop. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this while holding the camera. Knights. Knight. I don't know why the colors on the bottom of the piece. Now, here's the thing. Here's the queen is so big. She said. Okay, the king is always on the same path. The same path as the other king. So the kings are basically facing each other. Kings are and the queens are facing each other. Now here's the pawns. I showed you guys before. Yeah, this video is nearly done. Hang in there with me. I know it could be a long process setting up the board, but if only I can video edit. I'm sorry. If you guys would like to take this video a little bit shorter, please write me in the comments or send me a video on how to video edit so I can edit this all out and make it faster for you guys. Well, if you guys, at least if you guys want it faster. Because if you guys don't want it faster, I can make this as slow as you guys want it to go. Okay? Only because I love you guys. So, the pieces are placed, and that's how the board shall look. Yes. Okay, let's say the king, let's just put it in checkmate. Okay? So, if the pieces were right here, say if the queen was right here, wait, the king is right here, the rook was right there. Now, this is a hard checkmate right here. And if this piece was right here, no, because then I could move like this. So then the rook would have to be right here. That would be a checkmate. Or, to make this simple as possible, you can just go like this. Just go like this, watch. Show you in a second. Just move this knight back. Move this rook back. There's an easy checkmate. Because that can't capture that. That can't capture that. because those ones are blocking that path. So a king can't move in a position where it can be captured. That's an illegal move. That's an unavailable move. It can't move where it can be captured.